Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Product Review Top 5. Capturing moments through the lens of a camera is an art form that demands precision, passion, and, most importantly, the right gear. For every photographer, whether amateur or professional, a reliable camera bag is an indispensable companion that ensures the safekeeping of valuable equipment while offering easy access during those fleeting photo opportunities. With a myriad of options flooding the market, finding the perfect photography camera bag can be a daunting task. Fear not, as we've meticulously curated a list of the top 5 best photography camera bags to assist you on your quest. From stylish designs to durable build quality, these camera bags have been handpicked to cater to diverse needs and preferences, ensuring that your cherished camera and accessories are always in good hands, while you focus on what truly matters, capturing those unforgettable moments. Join us as we delve into the world of top-notch camera bags that strike the perfect balance between functionality, protection, and style, revolutionizing the way you carry and protect your gear on every photographic journey. Number 5. Fosoto B900 Photography Camera Bag. The Fosoto B900 impresses with its sleek and durable design. The backpack is made from high-quality materials that provide excellent protection from my expensive camera equipment. The reinforced stitching and padded compartments ensure that my gear remains secure and safe even in rough conditions. Additionally, the bag's waterproof feature gives me peace of mind during unexpected weather changes. The interior of the B900 camera bag is incredibly spacious, offering ample room to accommodate all my gear. From my DSLR camera, mirrorless system camera, point-and-shoot camera, and instant camera to multiple lenses, batteries, flashes, and other accessories, this bag fits it all. The adjustable dividers are a great feature that allows me to customize the compartments to suit the specific gear I'm carrying for each shoot. Despite its generous capacity, the Fosoto B900 is surprisingly comfortable to wear even during long hikes and shoots. The padded shoulder straps and back panel provide adequate support and weight distribution, reducing strain on my shoulders and back. The design also features a chest strap and waist belt, which further enhances stability and ensures that the bag remains securely in place while on the move. Number 4. K&F Concept KF13.092 Photography Camera Bag. First and foremost, the build quality of this camera bag is exceptional. It is constructed using durable and water-resistant nylon material, providing me with peace of mind during outdoor shoots, especially in unpredictable weather conditions. The stitching and zippers are robust, ensuring the safety of my precious camera gear. The backpack style of the bag is perfect for me as it offers great convenience and comfort. The shoulder straps are well padded and easily adjustable, making it easy to carry around even during long photo expeditions. Additionally, the back panel is also padded, providing sufficient airflow to avoid excessive sweating. When it comes to storage capacity, the K&F Concept KF13.092 camera bag doesn't disappoint. It has ample space to accommodate my DSLR camera body with attached lens, as well as 2 additional lenses. There are also dedicated compartments to store spare batteries, memory cards, and other accessories. The interior is well padded with dividers, allowing me to customize the layout according to my equipment's needs, ensuring everything stays organized and protected. Number 3. K&F Concept KF13.098 V2 Photography Camera Bag. Right off the bat, the build quality of this camera bag is impressive. Constructed with 1000D canela material, it feels sturdy and capable of handling rough outdoor conditions. The stitching appears to be well done, ensuring durability for extended use. The waterproof Grade 5 feature adds an extra layer of protection to safeguard my valuable gear from unexpected weather changes, a crucial factor for any outdoor photographer. This camera bag is a true beast when it comes to capacity and versatility. It boasts enough space to accommodate various equipment combinations, including DSLR cameras, mirrorless systems, point-and-shoot cameras, lenses, camcorders, flashes, tripods, batteries, monopods, and more. With its universal design, I can fit all my gear comfortably without feeling overloaded or sacrificing organization. The backpack style of the K&F Concept KF13.098 V2 is a game changer for me. The weight distribution across my shoulders and back is even, making it comfortable to carry for long periods. The padded shoulder straps and back panel provide ample support and prevent discomfort, even when the bag is fully loaded. Moreover, the adjustable dividers inside the main compartment allow me to customize the layout according to my equipment's needs, keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Number 2. Sindax Bag F1701 Red Photography Camera Bag. The Sindax Bag F1701 Red is crafted from durable Oxford cloth, ensuring its longevity and protection against the elements. The bright red color adds a touch of style and sets it apart from generic camera bags. The backpack design is practical and convenient, distributing the weight evenly across my shoulders for a comfortable carrying experience, even during long photography sessions. What truly sets this camera bag apart is its versatility. It boasts an impressive capacity to hold various camera types, including DSLRs, mirrorless systems, instant cameras, and even multiple lenses and flashes. With its cleverly designed compartments and dividers, organizing and accessing my gear has become effortless. As a professional photographer, my equipment's safety is paramount. The waterproof feature of the Sindax Bag F1701 Red offers reliable protection against unexpected weather changes. I have encountered rain showers during outdoor shoots, and this bag has kept my gear completely dry, giving me peace of mind. Number 1. TENWISH Photography Camera Bag. First and foremost, the build quality of the bag is outstanding. It's evident that TENWISH has put a lot of thought and effort into designing a durable and reliable camera bag. The exterior is made of high-quality water-resistant materials, providing added protection during unexpected weather conditions. The zippers are sturdy and smooth, ensuring quick access to my gear without any fear of them failing or getting stuck. The interior of the bag is where this product truly shines. It offers ample space to accommodate my camera body, multiple lenses, and various accessories. The dividers are customizable, allowing me to create dedicated compartments for each piece of equipment. This feature has significantly improved the organization of my gear, saving me time during shoots and reducing the risk of accidental damage. The shoulder straps and back padding are well padded and comfortable even during long photography sessions or when carrying a heavy load. Additionally, the bag's weight distribution is excellent, which prevents any strain on my shoulders or back. Thanks for watching this video.